Hey, it's Aaron. Today I have a question from Ken. Ken wants to know, why don't car makers build EV versions of existing models, for example, the Toyota Corolla? So it's a good question because it seems like, you're looking at a car, it already exists. Why can't you just swap out the powertrain and make it an electric vehicle in this case? And the answer is because it's not that simple. Um, Most of the car models on the road were inherently designed to be internal combustion or gasoline powered or maybe diesel powered vehicles. And this means that the everything underneath the bodywork has been designed to house an engine, a transmission, exhaust work, a drive, drive axles, all of those components that go with a car, a fuel cell to hold fuel, so your fuel tank, and the all the piping that goes with moving fuel to the engine, etc., etc. All of that stuff was designed into the car. The car is literally designed around that idea. And then also, all of those things are put in specific places to both improve efficiency and improve safety. When you move to an electric car, you're not talking about just pulling an engine out and putting a motor in place. You also have to figure out how to accommodate a huge amount of batteries that will take up a lot more space than the fuel cell in a regular gasoline car would. In fact, to get the same amount of range, it's about triple the amount of volume you have to accommodate for batteries. So that means that the existing design has to be completely redone in order to accommodate all of that. It's a big change. If you're doing it on your own in your garage and you could swap that stuff out and you figure out where to put the batteries, you either sacrifice trunk space or you sacrifice range. And in the end, your car will not be very well balanced because the weight distribution won't be even. Automakers have to think of all of those things because they're a big part of safety. So there are some vehicles on the road that were designed from the get-go to be modular so that any of the existing systems could work. Good example of that is the Kia Niro. The Kia Niro can be a gasoline electric hybrid, a plug-in electric hybrid, or a full electric vehicle or battery electric vehicle. It was designed to be all of those, and but it was designed specifically to be that way. Most vehicles are not designed that way. So that's the answer. That's the reason that we don't have automakers just taking an existing vehicle in the factory as it goes down the line, and instead of putting in an engine and other stuff, just shoving in a motor and some batteries. It doesn't actually work that way. So hopefully this answers your question, Ken. If you have a question, if you want to know about something in automotive, or probably, anything else, I guess. I don't know, but if you want to know something about automotive, ask me, and I'll see if I can help you. You can hit me up just in the comments below this video. You can find me on Facebook, Twitter, etc. Just make sure to tag or DM me so that I see your question. And you can also find me through my website, aarononautos.com, and use the form there to send me an email. So however you get a hold of me, go ahead and ask your question. I'll see if I can answer it. Talk to you again soon.